3.14, identify the technologies required to provide a VPN. So first of all, what is a VPN? It uses the internet to allow people to log into a network remotely and access its resources while encrypting the connection to prevent invasion of hackers. So there's two fundamental VPN technologies. There's encryption, which is a process of encoding data so that only a computer with the right decoder will be able to read and use it. And then there's tunneling, which involves establishing and maintaining a logical network connection by ensuring VPN packets reach their intended Sir, I can't. So this is a diagram for tunneling. So as you can see, it creates a tunnel between. So it connects the one LAN to another with the internet, and it bypasses government and corporate blocks and prevents eavesdroppers and hackers from accessing the connection. So how does it work? It makes a tunnel network connection through the internet or any other tunnel network. And through the use of a tunneling protocol and various security procedures, VPN users can exchange data while maintaining privacy. What you can use this for: access sites that are unavailable in your location, such as HBO Max in the UAE. You can download movies, shows, and games using a torrent, and you can stay safe from hackers while web browsing. There's questions. Name two fundamental VPN technologies. Ruben.
Name two fundamental VPN technologies. Eavesdropping.
No.
Encryption.
Oh yeah, encryption and tunneling.
Yes. Name one use for a VPN.
To protect your data and use Netflix in different countries.
Yes. True or false? Encryption involves establishing and maintaining a logical network connection by ensuring VPN packets reach their intended destination.
True.
False.
False, I told you.
It is the process of encoding data so that only computers with a computer with the right decoder will be able to read and use it. Thank you.
No, I'm not myself.